Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so they talk to each other. Make sure Google Maps is installed on your iPhone and you're signed in. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and location services so the watch can receive data. On the phone, search the destination and request directions, then select the Apple Watch option or tap the small watch icon to push navigation to your wrist. This initial handoff is fast and reliable because the phone does the heavy lifting while the watch displays guidance. Once navigation is active on your watch, raise your wrist to view concise turn-by-turn cards. You can tap a card to expand details or swipe to see alternate routes and ETA. Make sure to customize haptic strength and sound alerts from the phone's Google Maps settings so you receive clear vibrations for upcoming turns without checking the screen constantly. If you need to reroute, use the phone to change the route. Then watch updates appear on the wrist. This keeps the watch interface simple and quick to read while moving. To complete your trip, stop navigation from the watch or the phone. This conserves battery and clears the route. If directions fail to appear on the watch, first force close Google Maps on your phone and reopen it, then restart the watch app. Often the link simply needs a reset. If that doesn't work, toggle Bluetooth or reboot the watch and phone. Persistent problems can stem from permissions or account mismatches. So confirm both devices are signed into the same Google account and location access is allowed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.